Here are 5 new features you must know about the new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First, privacy display. This is an industry-first hardware privacy screen built directly into the display. And no, this is not one of those cheap privacy screen protectors that ruin your viewing experience. It makes your screen unreadable from the side, whether you are using specific apps or hiding notifications, password or PIN entry. Honestly, I can see other brands copying this soon, and it really should become a new standard for all smartphones. Next, Galaxy AI is now much more seamless. Samsung has integrated AI features directly into the One UI 8.5, so there's no more jumping between apps. For example, the upgraded Circle to Search can now identify multiple objects in a single image. Generative edits is just a few taps away, and you can text prompt or even voice to make changes. Feeling creative? You can create stickers, generate wallpapers, or even turn sketches into realistic images. There's also audio eraser, which removes unwanted noise so you can focus on what's matter. And now it works with third-party apps like YouTube, Instagram, Netflix, and more.
Wemby on the drive, bank shot between these two. Warrior misses a second. What's it like your first NBA start? You can't imagine the adrenaline. Yeah, he's got to be a little bit nervous, but he's also, I think...
Another big update, the Galaxy S26 series now support cross-platform file sharing with Apple devices natively. You can share files directly with iPhone, iPad, and Macs, working almost like airdrops through Quick Share. Now, the camera upgrade may not look huge on paper. Yes, there's a wider aperture on both the main and 5x periscope zoom camera, improving low light stabilizations and shutter speed. But that's not what I want to focus on. Instead, it has 2 cool new features. First is horizontal lock. These features lock the horizon, keeping your footage level even during heavy movements or a full 360 degrees rotations. That's crazy. It's basically like having an action camera built into your phone. Second is the new Advanced Professional Video Codec Support or APV. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra can shoot up to 10-bit 4:2 videos, delivering near pro quality straight from this device. Even my 6,000 ringgit A7C can't shoot that. Battery-wise, Samsung kept the same 5000 mAh batteries from last year, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, but it now lasts an hour longer and supports faster 60W wired charging. Now, 60W may not sound impressive compared to 80W or even 120W charging speed, but Samsung chose a more widely supported fast charging protocol. That means you can just grab almost any fast chargers, including your laptop chargers, and get fast charging speed. No proprietary cables or proprietary chargers needed. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't a radical redesign. Instead, it's a stealth upgrade where the improvements becomes more noticeable the longer you use it. Share with me what's your favorite features on the new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra in the comment box below. Thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you at the next one.